It's another chilly start to the day. There's some patchy low cloud mist and fog. That will lift, leaving us with a mostly dry and sunny day with light breezes. I'll have all the details shortly. If you haven't stepped out yet, it's again a chilly start to the day. Temperatures around freezing or indeed below for some of us, so there's a touch of frost. There's also some mist, some fog and some low cloud patches. They'll all lift, and then we're looking at some sunshine. And in fact, for the next few days, that is the forecast. We're looking at quite a bit of sunshine, dry and warming up as well. Now, today, if you have an allergy to tree pollen, especially birch and ash, the levels are high or very high across many parts of the UK. So we start with the mist and the fog and the low cloud patches here and there. They will lift, a lot of sunshine around, but you can see a bit more cloud across the Northern Isles, and through the day that will slip a little bit further south. We're looking at light breezes today as well, so it will feel quite pleasant. If you're in the sunshine, if you're in the shade, it still does feel a bit nippy. Yesterday, Aviemore reached 20 degrees, making it the warmest part of the UK. We could see that again today, and still warm for the time of year in Northern Ireland. But widely, we're looking at 13 to 17 degrees, where we've got the cloud in the Northern Isles. Temperatures suppressed a bit more. Now, through this evening and overnight, the cloud in the north sinks further south, and at the same time we'll see more cloud coming in from the North Sea and rolling inland. To the west, under clear skies, we are looking at some mist and some fog patches forming, and we're also looking at some frost, particularly so under the clear skies in the countryside. And if you're wondering when are we going to see any rain, well, it looks like from Sunday into the early part of next week it turns a bit more changeable. Sal and John.
We are ready,
believe me. Good morning, everybody. This morning is a chilly start to the day, and Sal is absolutely right. For the next few days, it is going to be dry and sunny, although tomorrow it will be cloudier along the east coast than today. And then it looks like it's going to start to turn more changeable as we head in from Sunday into the early part of the next week, with some of us seeing some showers or indeed some rain. Temperature-wise as well, the highest temperatures this week have been in the north so far, but by the end of the week, they'll be in the south. Now, if you have an allergy to tree pollen, the levels are high or very high across many parts of the country today. We're talking ash and birch in particular. We're starting off with some mist and some fog patches, some low cloud. That's all lifting, leaving us with a dry and a sunny day with light breezes. But we do have more cloud across the far north of Scotland, and that's going to slip a little bit further south as we go through the course of the afternoon. Temperature-wise, well, we could hit 20 degrees again today, somewhere in the Highlands, but widely we're looking at 13 to 17, locally under the cloud in Lerwick, 9 degrees. As we head through the evening and overnight, this cloud in the Northern Isles sinks further south, and at the same time we've got more cloud romping in from the North Sea, making progress inland. Out west, where we've got the clear skies, we could well see some patchy mist and fog form, and here too in the countryside, it will be cold enough for a touch of frost. So we start the day like this tomorrow. If anything, we're going to have the cloud push southwards through the day and retreat back towards the east coast. So it will brighten up across eastern Scotland. We'll have a lot of dry and sunny weather the further west that you travel, feeling cool along this east coast, but still temperatures above average for the time of year further west. Sal and John.
Carol, did you say the weather was...
Thank you.